exploring this area. There's supposed to be some really nice sea stacks in the water here. In Habanero or Yabanero, I don't know, just the name. Wow, it's beautiful. Always on the hunt for orchids, no matter where. I don't know what kind of flower this is. Looks special.
It's beautiful.
What do you think, with sunrise or sunset?
Sunrise, I think.
Sun is right behind that rock.
Vela is making a picture of those wildflowers.
So we went back the next morning. We brought our headlights because it was still pretty dark outside, but there was already some coloring, and even some clouds, so that made it promising. The waves were kind of challenging because the tide was coming in, so the big rocks were not accessible to make a nice composition, but this is what we got.
Morning. Let's film and took some pictures of the stack, and the coloring was really nice. So, good morning. The only thing, my wireless mic is not working anymore. So, but we had just a splash of water. I don't know. I'm gonna go to the car and see what's happening with that.
I really like the other picture we got where the sun is hitting the sea stacks. It's a really nice picture. We ended up liking both pictures at this location. We stopped at Porto Moniz and the waves were spectacular. We took our cameras and we made some pictures, and although we are not really seascape photographers, we ended up liking the pictures really well. We do hope to go back there with some light because this was during the day, so the light was really not on there, but here they are. Rudy took the first picture with a fast shutter to freeze the wave. I really like it. I took the second picture and it's not a correct shutter speed, but I still ended up liking the picture anyway. The forecast said windy and clear skies, but we decided to come to this beautiful location at Pico de Ario anyway to do some scouting. The views are breathtaking. It was quite a challenge because we both were sick, but we kept going and we found some really nice compositions. The drop-off at both sides were eerie at moments. It is always good to scout an area before you do an actual shoot. Here Rudy is explaining how this could be a really good composition if we had some clouds. Unfortunately his microphone, with all the wind, wasn't picking up anything, but we just kept going, and we did have our own personal guide to show us the beautiful views of Pico de Ario, and we are really excited to come back the next morning for sunrise. We didn't feel like staying around for sunset with the high winds, so we decided to check out a little beach area that could be a potential sunset location, but it really wasn't the perfect time to do a sunset. It's more a sunrise location, and we ended up going back there for a sunrise, and that is gonna be a really beautiful picture. You'll see that later in the video. Good thing Rudy was driving. Some of the roads in Madeira are crazy. Anyway, we're on our way back for the sunrise and we do hope to get some clouds, but as you can see, we never got any clouds in between the mountains, but we still felt really blessed to be here and we ended up with a very nice picture. So here it is. We really do hope to come back here one day so we can have it with the perfect conditions. So we decided to go back to Fanal Forest.
We were on the way to Fanal Forest, but we saw this beautiful view with the clouds, the valleys. I don't know how it's called here, but anyway, we took the camera and started doing a time lapse. It's beautiful, yeah.
So we went back to Fanal Forest for the third time and the conditions were just spectacular.
I'm so happy now at the moment. The conditions are like so much better as the first time. So the fog, it comes and goes. So and then when the sun just hit the tree, you will see the pictures in the video.
Please make a picture. You see all the lighter mosses, creates a really magical scenery. In this picture I absolutely love the foreground. The lighter mosses, it kind of looked like a world of the hobbits. Then this second picture is an iconic one, but unbelievable, I love it.
We are at an overlook here. I don't know the name. We saw it when we were driving. So I'm filming here. It's an incredible view. And Vele is right over there. She's making the pictures. Vele, how is everything going there?
Good, I think it's gonna be a really nice one, and I'm trying to see if this could be a foreground object, but it's not really working out how I want to. But I'm happy, it looks promising.
Okay, we will wait after the sunset. I think it's gonna be very nice. So this shot, we didn't have the sunset because the fog, like you see, way too much.
I did have one tree that I hope I got that picture because it was for a brief moment really magical. So I do hope that I have that shot. Unfortunately, no sunset. We're all fogged in here. Good morning. We're ready for sunrise.
We are here on an overlook doing the sunrise. And I'm gonna stand there on the edge. And Vele is with the camera on the top, on the left, but I'll show you in a minute. Pretty scary. Vele is over there.
With Rudy on the rocks, it really gives a nice perspective to make this picture. I absolutely love this picture. So we came to this spot in Ponta Rossa, but the light isn't really cooperating. This morning we weren't even sure if we would be here at all, because we said this morning we're just gonna go back to bed because we both are not feeling well. But then that bug is itching and we came out anyway. So I hope on that side that the sun will peek through and put some light on there. If not, then at least we saw the place and we have to come back to Madeira, that's for sure. The light never came. So what I try to do is like a portrait with these plants on the foreground. And then I focus stacked so everything is sharp. So hopefully it'll still be a nice picture and we'll just have to come back another time with better light.
Vela is shooting her last video shot of this trip, Madeira. Beautiful, beautiful island. I had a great time. The only sad part is we have both a cold already for a whole week. But we kept going. So Vela, what do you think from the Madeiras?
I think we need to come back without a cold. And either way, cold or no cold, we really enjoyed this trip, and I'm sure we'll be back because we have too many spots that we missed. So we'll see you later, alligators.
See you later, alligators.